Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to unhook doubles at FEDEXGROUND. And we're getting started right now. All right, so you're gonna set your truck up like this. Then you're gonna unhook your glad hands and your electrical connector. Place those in the basket. You're gonna take your glad hand covers, make sure you secure them. This way no air comes out. All right, this is the lead trailer. Then you're also gonna disconnect your air lines, electrical line from your rear trailer. You're gonna release your brakes. You should hear that. You're gonna come under here, pull your fifth wheel. Then you're gonna let your landing gear down on your rear trailer. Now you can see dolly is disconnected from the trailer. Come over, unhook your securement hooks. All right, you'll pull this lever back, push that forward, release that. That'll secure that in place. That'll allow you to go ahead and release the dolly. Now, if this is locked in and you're not able to release your dolly, make sure you double check about making sure this right here has been pushed in, because if it's pulled out, all right, hard to move this. And also you have to make sure that your trailer brakes are set, because if your trailer brakes are not set, this plunger will stick out and it'll keep this hook in there. All right, very important. And at this point, I'm gonna pull for a little more and I'm gonna drop my lead trailer. Make sure you secure these. Pull my fifth wheel. Now that I'm dropping off my lead trailer, I'll go back to my rear trailer and pick up my dolly. What's up, boss? Hey, I heard that. That's the way we like it, right? Make sure you're securing these. Make sure all your glad hands, airlines are inside the basket. And then that's it, you're done. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you gained something from it, some value from it, go ahead and hit that like button, consider subscribing, hit that notification all, so you know whenever I'm dropping videos. You guys know the deal. Fast food, fast trucks, and fast women will get you in trouble. Hard times don't last, hard truckers do. It ain't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. And last but definitely not least, stay smooth, my friends.